Hello students, I am Subhashish. Today we are going to learn mensuration. Children, have you ever wrapped a birthday gift? If yes, then you have covered the surface area of a polyhedron with wrapping paper. Have you ever poured a glass of milk? If yes, then you have filled the volume of the glass with milk. Not only this, but in day-to-day life we come across many activities involving surface areas and volumes. We are living in a three-dimensional world. Every object you can see or touch their dimensions that can be measured: length, breadth and height. Let's see the given image. This serves as certain dimensions. You are looking at its length, breadth and width. Also some rectangular and triangular shapes. Learning objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know area, perimeter and volume. Trapezium and area of the trapezium. Quadrilateral and the area of the quadrilateral. Keywords from this lesson are area, perimeter, volume, trapezium, quadrilateral, area of trapezium, area of quadrilateral. Let's observe the concept map of mensuration. Before going to the topic, let's see what is difference between area, perimeter and volume. Area. Let us observe the carpet in the given image. To buy a carpet that fits the floor, we need to know its area. Or the carpet will be bigger or smaller than the space. The area is defined as the total space taken up by an object's flat 2D surface or shape. Perimeter. Look at the given image. When we want to put a fence around your home, we find its perimeter to know the length of fence we will need. The perimeter of a shape is defined as the total length of its boundary. The perimeter of shape is determined by adding the length of all the sides and edges enclosing the shape. Volume. Look at the image. When we want to buy milk from the milkman, we need to know how much they are giving, isn't it? Every object occupies space. The measurement of this occupied space is the volume of that object. The object may be solid or hollow. In case it is solid, then the space occupied by the solid object is its volume. In case of hollow objects, we know that such object is filled with air or a liquid. So, if we are to find the volume of a hollow object, we intend to calculate the space occupied by the air or a liquid in such an object. The volume that fills this hollow object is said to be the capacity of the object or container. The volume is the space occupied by the object, while capacity is the volume of any substance that the object can accommodate inside it. Trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral which is defined as a shape with 4 sides and one set of parallel sides. Have a look at the given images. Do you get anything? Yes, all the images have one set of parallel sides, isn't it? The area of the trapezium is the region covered within these 4 sides. The area of the trapezium depends upon the length of parallel sides and the height of the trapezium. It is measured in square units. Let us see the formula to find the area of any trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle CBD. That is equal to half into A into H plus half into B into H. Take out the common term H, then we get half into H into A plus B. That is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between them. Let us see one example. Find the area of a trapezium whose bases are 25 meter and 10 meter and whose height is 6 meter. Solution. Given the bases are A is equal to 25 meter, B is equal to 10 meter and the height H is equal to 6 meter. We know that the area of trapezium is A is equal to half into A plus B into H. By substituting the values, we get A is equal to half into 25 plus 10 into 6. By solving, we get half into 35 into 6. Now, by cancelling and multiplying, we get 105 meter square. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. The word quadrilateral is derived from the Latin words quadri, which means 4, and latus, which means side. There are many real life quadrilateral examples such as cards, chessboards, traffic signs, etc. Now, let us see the area of quadrilateral. Now, given the quadrilateral dividing into 2 triangles, what is the formula of the area of triangle? Yes, you are right. That is half into base into height. Now apply the formula in both the triangles. Then we get area of quadrilateral is equal to half into d into h1 plus half into d into h2. Now take the common d, that is equal to half into d into h1 plus h2. Let us see one example. Calculate the area of a quadrilateral PQRS shown in the figure. Solution. See this image. Here QS is diagonal D, where D is equal to 10 centimeter. Then H1 and H2 are 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. We know that the area of quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Substitute the values in the above formula. Then we get half into 10 into 8 plus 12. By adding the terms, we get half into 10 into 20. Now, by simplifying, we get 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 centimeter square. Points to remember. The area is defined as the total space taken up by an object's flat 2D surface or shape. The perimeter of a shape is defined as the total length of its boundary. The perimeter of a shape is determined by adding the length of all sides and edges enclosing the shape. The volume is the space occupied by the object, while capacity is the volume of any substance that the object can accommodate inside it. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into A plus B into H. Area of quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Thanks for watching.